Hi everyone, I'm Claudio Lanza and I'm running for the position of the male member of the board of Volta Europa. So today I want to share with you some feedback that I received in the Q&A I made earlier this week. And so first of all, thank you for those who joined my Q&A, and there were three main themes that were brought up to my attention. So the first feedback was about the policy process and particularly the future strategy for reshaping the policy process. And so the second feedback was about the kind of the expansion of Volta Europa across Europe and the inequalities we have within our party, particularly gender-based. We have huge numbers when it comes to male members. Not the same can be said for female members. And then the third was basically about what's my first and most important priority as the new member of the board of Volta Europa. So first, when it comes to the policy process, the concerns raised were about this fragmentation that now is happening within Volta Europa, but basically this focus at national level, which makes sense because now national chapters are more active and they need programs to run for national elections, and there are also local chapters now working on local policies. So if at first the focus was more on European policies because the European dimension was most developed, now there is a refocus on national and local level. However, the concern is that this fragmentation, this greater focus on the national and local will be unbalanced, and basically we could lose our identity as pan-European party. And so I share this concern, and the new strategy put forward by the European policy team, we are still of course working on it, and this is attached to the overall strategy of Volta Europa, which you are all contributing to in the fantastic process led by Catherine and Daniel and all the others. So this new process, strategic process, makes the case for a greater role for national policy teams, both at the European level and at local level. So we basically want to achieve policies that are European when they should be addressed at the European level, but when they are not European, we don't have to work in silos, and every national facilitator and national policy lead should be aware of what's happening in other contexts, in other national chapters, in order to gain best practices and also to have a sense of what the overall party as a pan-European party is working on. And then there is the issue of the expansion. So here we really need to push for more female members, particularly because the data analytics team has uncovered that we are very strong in university-based cities. So it's actually quite astonishing how we are very appealing to a crowd, to an audience which is sometimes even 50% female, but we attract for 70% male members. And then the last issue was my main priority. So here's my pledge. I want Volta Europa, which is expanding offline more and more, to be a carbon neutral organization. For that to happen, we need more awareness within our organization, and I will ask the data analytics team for habits that we have, events that we organize, and what kind of impact they have on the environment. So I really think that leading by example on this, it's key to attract more voters, but also to have an actual impact, because that's what we want to achieve as a political party. So it's not just about receiving votes, but it's about having an impact outside. So I really hope you're going to join the next live Q&A, which is this Sunday, and let's get connected.